Quite often when you're working with an AutoCAD electrical project, you need to group the drawings. Now you'll notice over in Demo 09 project here in the Project Manager that we've got two subfolders. We have a schematic subfolder and a panel subfolder. The schematic subfolder is for the schematic drawings, the panel subfolder is for the panel drawings in the Demo 09 project. Now it may be that I need to create another schematic folder for use with other schematic drawings. So what I can do is I can select Demo 09 there like so, and then right click on it, and you'll notice on the shortcut menu that we have Add Subfolder. So if I do that now, it asks me for a new folder name, so I'll type that in. I'm going to call that Schematic 2. Now you'll notice there, deliberate spelling mistake, I've put an E there instead of an A. Make sure you spell things correctly. And also there should be an E over there. Now I've deliberately pointed that out. There's nothing worse than looking at a project manager listing and things are spelt badly. And there's no spell check here on these folder names, so make sure that you check. Press enter and there's my new Schematic 2 folder. And then what I want to do is click and drag and just lift that up so it sits above panel like so. So the schematics are grouped together. Now, at the moment, there are no drawings in the Schematic 2 folder. So I'm going to expand the schematic folder like so. And then what I will do is drag this down like so. So I can see all of my drawings. And obviously also, I can see Schematic 2 there as well. And what I can do is I can move a drawing to a folder. So if I select, say, Demo 06, right click, and I can copy to, I can remove, replace or rename. And what I can do there is I can actually copy to another location, like so. I'll cancel that. How do I move it into Schematic 2? There doesn't seem to be any shortcut, does there? There is, and it's very, very quick and easy. A lot of the tools in the Project Manager are drag and drop. You don't need to right click like that. There's no tool there that will allow me to actually move it to the folder. What I do is I click, drag, and put it underneath Schematic 2 like that, and release. And you'll see that that then moves. Now, it hasn't moved exactly underneath. It's actually gone into the Demo 09 folder. You need to be careful how you drag. And you'll see there that if I then position it over Schematic 2, it then goes into the folder. So it's not a case of drag and use the little black line underneath. It's a case of drag and place it over the folder. Very much as if you were working inside Windows Explorer. So what we need to do there is we need to take some of these and put them into Schematic 2. So I'm just going to put a couple of drawings in there, like so. So Schematic 2 there, when it highlights, release, it puts that drawing in that folder. So when I minimize there, you can see that those drawings still show there, but Schematic 2 is now minimized. So that's how you group your drawings within your project in your Project Manager. Now that does not affect where they are located on your server, on your hard drive, on your portable hard drive or whatever. All you're doing is arranging them in the Project Manager in AutoCAD Electrical.